Hello, friends. I'm Hiphop Boom from the Hiphop Boobly Show, where we learn and grow. And today we are going to collect Boom Stars with Hiphop Boobly and Hiphop Mimi. But before we get Hiphop Boobly out of the Boobly Boombox, we have to turn up the volume. Let's go.
This where we learn and grow. This where we learn and grow. Hiphop Boobly Show.
Hello, Boobly Pals. My name is Hiphop Boobly.
And my name is Hiphop Mimi.
Welcome to the Hiphop Boobly Show, where we learn and grow.
Before we get started, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to never miss a chance to boom with us.
Ooh, let's go to the Boobly Pad to get the topic for today's song. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Make it a boobly track and show us how it goes.
Oh, Boobly, what are you doing?
Getting ready. I like to stretch before I do this one.
Ooh, I like to stretch too. Do this with me, Boobly Pals.
First, let's show our hands. And stretch them high to the sky. And count backwards from 5.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Great job, Boobly Pals. Now let's take them down low to our toes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Now this is my favorite. A silly shake! Ubba lubba 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 lubba.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job, Boobly Pals. That was super duper fun.
Now I'm ready to...
Hello, Boobly Pals. What's up, Boobly? Mimi? Did I miss the song of the day?
Oh, nope. You're just in time.
Great!
We were just stretching to get ready to sing the head, shoulders, knees, and toes song.
Really? I love that song. I was just singing it on the way here. Do you mind?
Go for it.
Hey, Boobly Pals. This your boy Hiphop Boom. And we made a remix to the head, shoulders, knees, and toes song. So are you ready? You ready to boom with us? Let's go! Head, shoulders, knees, toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Shoulders, knees, toes. We gotta have all of those. Eyes, ears, mouth, nose. Did amazing. That was the head, shoulders, knees, and toes song. Clap for yourself. Awesome.
Great job, Boobly Pals. That was smooth.
Remember to keep an eye out for Boom Stars so we can create a remix to the head, shoulders, knees, and toes song. A Boom Star!
You see a boom star? Where? Behind me? I don't see it.
It's not on your back, it's on your head.
My hair?
Oh, don't worry. I'll help you out.
I got it. State your name and what you like. Don't be shy. Step to the mic.
My name is Carter and I like to do flips. Let me show you.
like slide.
Great job, Boobly Pals. You just earned a Boom Star for today's remix. Hey, Boobly and Mimi, how about you introduce yourself and say what you like?
Sure. Hello, my name is Hiphop Boobly, and I like down south hip hop. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Well, I'm Hip Hop Mimi, and I like up north hip hop.
Well, you know down south is better.
Up north!
Down south.
Up north!
Down south.
Up north!
Err.
Chill, you guys. Look, I know that you're upset, but hip hop is hip hop, no matter where it's from. I think you need to calm down. Hey, Boobly Pals, what do you do when you get upset and you need to calm down?
I take a deep breath and I count to 10.
Let's try those.
1,
2, 3,
4,
5,
6, 7,
8,
9,
10.
I'm sorry, Mimi.
Me too, Boobly. The fact of the matter is that we both love hip hop.
Pound it.
A Boom Star!
I got you this time. Hey guys, this your boy Hip Hop Boom. And this is the remix to the Emotion song. I want you to be able to release your emotions when you feel them. So here we go. Listen. It's okay. It's okay to be happy. You can be happy and to be sad. It's okay to be sad. To be glad and be glad. It's your emotion. You gotta let it out. It's your emotion. Yeah, go ahead and release it. You gotta let it out. Let it out. Hug it out. Give someone a real big hug and hug it out. Love it out. Tell someone you love them. Love it out. Let it out. Let it out. Let it out. Yes. It's okay. It's okay, Boobly Pals. You can be happy and you can be sad. But be glad. I want you to feel everything that you're feeling right now. It's okay to let it out. And you gotta let it out. Release it. Hug it out. Give someone a nice big hug. Love it out. Tell someone you love them. Just let it out. Let it out. Just let it out. That was awesome, Boobly Pals. I just want you to know that you are amazing. And it's okay to feel your feelings and emotions. But make sure you give someone a real big hug, love it out, and hug it out. But whatever you do, let it out.
That feels so much better. Thank you, Boobly Pals, for helping us learn it's okay to feel our emotions.
Awesome, Boobly Pals. Only one more Boom Star, and we will have the beat for today's remix.
It's good to know that we all have emotions, but I like me in ways that we're different. Like, I got 2 eyes and 1 nose, 10 fingers, 2 elbows.
I have 10 toes and 1 mouth, 2 ears. What you talking about?
I like flavor.
I like chips.
We both like chips and dip.
We're unique.
We're a team. We both can do anything. Boom Stars till the end.
Through the rain,
Thick or thin,
together we can win.
because you're my best friend.
That was really nice, you guys.
A Boom Star! Next to you!
I've got you now.
Learning about you is never far away. Let's hear what Rockstar Kimmy has to say.
Hello, Boobly Pals. What's been going on in the studio? Have you sang about your head, shoulders, knees, and toes?
Yes, we also learned that we are the same but different.
And those differences show up in different ways. And it's okay to have emotions.
That's right, Mimi. We have many different things that make us unique. Hey, Boobly Pals, let's play a game. Clap your hands twice if you know your full name. Cool. Now stomp your feet twice if you know where you live. Point to your nose if you like the smell of flowers. Touch your ears if you like to listen to music. See, we are all different in so many ways because you are special from your hair to your eyes to the family you have and the places that you live. They all make you special just the way you are. And even though being different is sometimes challenging, remember, it's okay to feel different emotions. Just know that it's always okay to be uniquely you. That's my time for now, Boobly Pals. See you later. Peace.
We did it, Boobly Pals. We used Boomstar magic to get the beat for the Head, Shoulders, Knees, and Toes remix.
Come on, Boobly Pals. Let's kick it up a notch for the Head, Shoulders, Knees, and Toes remix.
Let's go!
Hey, Boobly Pals. This your boy Hiphop Boom. And we made a remix to the Head, Shoulders, Knees, and Toes song. So are you ready? You ready to boom with us? Let's go! Head, shoulders, knees, toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Shoulders, knees, toes. We gotta have all of those. Eyes, ears, mouth, nose. Did amazing. That was the Head, Shoulders, Knees, and Toes song. Clap for yourself. Awesome.
Great job, Boobly Pals. You did the remix to Head, Shoulders, Knees, and Toes.
You all are awesome, Boobly Pals. I had so much fun learning about you today. Make sure to click here to like and follow us to never miss a beat on the Hiphop Boobly Show.
And here's a special video from today's Boobly Pal guest.
It's from A to Z, and your boy Lil Ziggy. Are y'all ready to hit that boobly drip drop? Let's go!
Hit that boobly. Drip, drop, drip, drop. 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 My name's Joy. I'm fresh as can be. I'm looking for somebody to drip, drop with me. Hands in the air, bring them down your side. Show what's that drip. Left, right, glide. Where you at now? Get on the floor. Show what's that drip. Drop it down low. Hands in the air, bring them down your side. Show what's that drip. Left, right, glide. Hit that boobly. Drip, drop, drip, drop. Hit that boobly. Drip, drop, drip. Hit that boobly. Drip, drop, drip. Hit that boobly. Drip, drop, drip. Hit that boobly.
If you got that rhythm, get up now like you know me. Grab your partner left, right with your homie. Step to the back, step to the front, show me. Now whip that thing around, drop down, come on now.
Drip, drop, drip, drop.
Hit that boobly.
Drip, drop, drip,
Hit that boobly.
drip, drop, drip.
Hit that boobly.
Drip, drop, drip,
Hit that boobly. Hit that drip drop boobly walk, don't you ever stop. From A to Z, staying down, no way, dancing to the top. Zion going